Hi guys, hope everyone is doing good. This is Lincoln. He's going to help me out with today's activity. Today we're going to work on our gross motor skills. We're going to have a little dance party. But first, we're going to make instruments for our dance party. So we are going to make rain sticks. So the supplies you're going to need are toilet paper roll, rice. I put it inside a measuring cup just so it can be easier to pour inside the roll. We're going to need aluminum foil. We're going to need, what is this, Lincoln? Glue. We're going to need a spoon. We are going to need rubber bands. If you don't have rubber bands, use scrunchies. That's what I'm using. I don't have rubber bands. We are going to need paper bag and scissors. With the paper bag, you are going to cut out a rectangle and 2 circles. Okay, you want to start? Let's go. We're going to take the rectangle and cover the roll with it. It's glue time. So we're going to use the glue. Go ahead, baby. To cover. Good job. I think that's good. Think that's good? Okay. Okay. So now our toilet paper roll looks like a candy cane. It's all decorated. Okay. So, you guys can use crayons or markers or stickers, whatever you guys have at home to decorate your paper roll. Then we're going to use one of the circles to cover the bottom of the roll. Can you pass me the scrunchie or rubber band, whatever you guys have? We're going to tie it up so the rice doesn't come out when we pour it inside. Okay, so now we're going to use the aluminum foil. So we're going to fold the aluminum foil down all the way down. And then we are going to take the spoon.
Spoony time.
Yeah, and kind of make like a snake around the spoon. This is going to go inside the rain stick as well. You want to take it off? Yeah. So when you take it off the spoon, it's going to look like a snake, like a spiral. Okay, so this is going to go inside the rain stick. I'm going to put it inside. Oh wait, this came off. Oh, what happened? Okay. So now we're going to pour the rice inside. I think that's enough. And we're going to use the other circle to cover the other end of the roll. It's okay. Okay. Linky, you want to shake your rain stick? Yeah. Hey, for the dance party, let's go! You shake it. Oh, wait up. Go. Okay guys, now it's your turn to make rain sticks and have a dance party with mommy and daddy. Bye, see you soon.